Hello children, how are you all? I hope you all are good in health and stay safe with your family. Do you know me? I am Anju Gupta, your science teacher. In last video, we had completed our first chapter, living and non-living thing. Today, we are going to start our second chapter, plants, animals and plants. But before going to start this chapter, we will start a quick revision of that chapter with a wonderful animation. So, let's see the video and revise it well, and we will meet after the video. We see many things around us: man, book, dog, house, trees. In these things, some are living things and some are non-living things. Living things. Things that have life is called living things. Man, tree and animals are living things. Non-living things. Things that do not have life is called non-living things. Like book, house and pen are non-living things. Living things can move, can grow, needs food and water to live, can breathe, can feel, can reproduce. Non-living things cannot move, grow, breathe, feel and reproduce. Non-living things do not need food and water. Living things can move. Animals, human beings have their legs to move. Animals without legs crawl, slide or swim by their body. Fish swim in water with the help of fins and tails. Plants cannot move from one place to another place, but they show some movements. The touch me not plant closes its leaf when we touch it. The sunflower always turns toward the sun. Living things can grow. A baby grows into a child grows into an adult. A baby plant grows into a big tree. A baby kitten grows into a cat. Living things need food and water to live. Human beings depend upon plants and animals for food. Living things need food and water. Animals depend upon plants for food. Plants make their own food from water, air and sunlight. Living things can breathe. Man and animals breathe through their lungs and plants through their leaves. Fishes have gills and insects have air holes to breathe. Plants take in carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. Living things can feel. All living things can feel and react. Human and animals have sense organs to feel. Eyes, nose, ears, tongue and skin. These are sense organs. Plants can also feel. Living things can feel. Plants feel the sunlight and grows towards it. Living things can feel. All living things can feel weather. Living things can reproduce. Reproducing is the process in which A living being gives birth to a young one. A cow gives birth to a calf. A woman gives birth to a baby. Birds lay eggs from which young ones come out and slowly grows. Seeds become plant and plants change into a big tree. Non-living things. Man-made and natural things are non-living things. Table, ball, toy, car are non-living things. Sun, moon, rocks are natural things. Let's warm up. Human beings, plants and animals are living things. Toys, books, car, furniture and buildings are non-living things. Living things can move. Living things grow with the passage of time. All living things breathe and reproduce, producing young ones of its own kind is called reproduction. All living things need food and water to live. All living things can feel and react. Non-living things cannot move, feel, breathe, and reproduce. Non-living things do not need food and water. Hope you enjoyed and learn all the points very well. So today we are going to start our next chapter. Living and non-living thing is completed. Now next chapter is animals and plants. We will write here our second chapter, animals and plants. What is the spelling of plants? P-L-A-N-T-S. Plants. So today we are starting this chapter. Now look here, I will do one exercise. Okay, we will relate all the points of chapter 1 and including in this chapter 2. So look here, we will write here our previous chapter also, living and non-living. Living and non-living. Okay. Now we will write here our chapter also. Next chapter is animals and plants. Now look here. We already studied about the living and non-living thing. What was the first point of that lesson? Did you remember? Yes, you already seen in this video. So, our first point was move. We already learned that living things can move and non-living things cannot move. So, we will relate here also the first point, move. First point was in chapter 1, move. Now, in chapter 2 also, we will start to differences between the animals and plants. So first is move. What is the first point? Here also move. All the animals can walk, all the birds can fly, all the fishes and all the water animals swim in the water. So what is the meaning of move? Move means a movement. We already studied in first chapter. So move is here also our first point. Animals move here and there, one place to another place. Why they are not sitting at a one place? Because they have legs, so they are moving here and there. Birds have wings, so they are flying. Now come to the next point. Plants. Plants can move? No, plants cannot move, but they can grow. Plants cannot move, but they can grow. So here move. Plants, animals can move and plants cannot move. Cannot move. Animals move from one place to another place, but plants cannot move, they can grow. why they are not moving? Plants, because they are fixed in the ground. Understand first point? Now we will start our second point. What was the second point of this chapter? Second point, food. Did you remember? Food. Now we will write here eat. We will not write here food. We will write here eat. Eat means food habit of these plants and animals. So animals having kitchen to cook the food? Yes or no? No, they haven't. So first point is eat. Our second point is eat. Animals cannot prepare their own food, but they are moving in search of food. Why? They are moving because they have to search food here and there. When you call out a dog or a cat, they are coming to you. Yes? Yes, because they want to eat the food. Now, here also, plants eating food. Yes, but plants prepare their own food with the help of air, water and sunlight. With the help of air, water and sunlight. Plants, animals eat plants. Plants eating animals eat flesh eating animals. है ना? Yes or no? Animals eat plants and some animals eat plants eating animals. So we can say that some animals eating plants and some eating flesh. Understand? Now here plants. What are plants eating? Plants prepare their own food with the help of air, water and sunlight. Now here, what was our third point? What was our third point? Breathe. We can take only few points. B-R-E-A-T-H-E, breathe. Breathe means air in and air out. So here same we will take breathe. Breathe. Animals are breathing? Yes. Plants are breathing? Yes. Plants are also breathing. So look here. Our next point is breathe. Animals breathing through lungs, gills and air holes. Which animals are using lungs? We human beings and animals, those who are live on the land only. They are using lungs to breathe. Now gills, who uses gills? Animals, those who are living in the water like fish. Now air holes. Have you listened this name? Air holes. All the insects are using air holes to breathe. Now we will relate this point with the plants also. Plants also breathing. We human being and plants also breathing. Plants breathe with the help of its leaves. In leaves there are tiny pores which plants are breathing. Which air we are breathing in and out? Do you know? We are breathing, animals and human beings breathe in oxygen and give out or breathe out the carbon dioxide. And plants are just opposite. Which plants are getting in carbon dioxide, or we can say in short form CO2. CO2, carbon dioxide. It means CO2. So plants are breathe in CO2 and breathe out the oxygen. Oxygen we can say O2. CO2 for carbon dioxide and O2 for the oxygen. Have you understand? Now once again look here. Breathe. Animals breathe through lungs, gills and air holes. Lungs. Which animals are using lungs to breathe? We human being and animals, those who are live on the land. Yes, those who are live on the land, they are using lungs to breathe. Now next was gills. Gills, animals, those who are living in water like fish, they are using gills to breathe. Third was air holes. So all the insect from ant to ant, cockroaches, flies, butterflies, mosquito, all the insects are using air holes to breathe. Now here plants. Plants also breathing with the help of leaf. In the leaf there are tiny holes in the leaf, tiny pores. So they are also breathing. Now animals and we human beings are breathing in oxygen and breathe out the carbon dioxide, and plants doing just opposite of us and animals. Plants get in or breathe in carbon dioxide. They are get in or breathe in carbon dioxide and give out or breathe out the oxygen. So our all the points are completed up to here. So our next point is feel. Living thing can feel, non-living thing cannot feel. And we will write here not feel. We will write here sense organs. S-E-N-S-E, sense. O-R-G-A-N-S, organs. Sense organs. Feel, we can write here sense organs. Non-living thing cannot feel, but living thing can feel. So how can we feel? With the help of sense organs. How many sense organs we have? We have 5 sense organs. Which are they? Tell me names. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. How many? 5. Which are eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. These are sense organs. We human being also having these 5 sense organs, and animals also have sense organs. But here plants do not have sense organs. Plants do not have sense organs. So we will write here do not have. We will write here do not have. What do not have? Sense organs. What do not have? Sense organs. By mistake I am writing here number, because we have to just opposite of that. Sometime opposite and sometime similar. Move, cannot move. Eat, they are eating. Some are eating grass and some are eating other animals. Flesh, we can say flesh eating animals. And next, breathe. They are breathing, animals are breathing, and human being also breathing with the help of lungs. But only land animals can breathe with the lungs. And how many things, how many numbers I already explained? 3 internal part of body, lungs, gills and air holes. So lungs, we already learnt about the lungs. Lungs, animals, those who are living on the land, they are using their lungs to breathe. Now fishes have gills to breathe. Now next is air holes. All the insects on the earth are using air holes to breathe. Now here also plants, we already learned this. Plant, yes, plant breathe through their leaves on the tiny pores. Okay, so here we had written here feel. Now we will write here sense organs. All the animals have sense organs. All the animals have tongue. All the animals have ears, eyes, nose and skin also to feel. Now here plants do not feel.